Hello. I'm here to let everybody know today how important recycling is and how everybody should join in. Did you know that every year Americans produce more than 200 million tons of solid waste a year? Did you also know that producing recycled white paper creates 74% less air pollution and 35% less water pollution than producing paper from the real virgin fibers? Many reasons why recycling is so beneficial to us is because it saves on natural resources and energy, which is big with our environment these days, especially with the economy. It also reduces pollution and provides more room at landfills and provides jobs. Recycling saves energy. Number one, less energy to make recycled products. 95% less energy is used when using recycled aluminum than bauxite ore or using new aluminum itself. A new fact that I learned through my research is that one glass bottle, if you were to take a Coca-Cola bottle, for instance, and recycle it, it actually gives energy to light up a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours. And I thought that was pretty much amazing that just one glass bottle could do that. Throwing away 2 cans is equal to the energy of 1 can of gasoline. A number 2 reason of recycling and why it's so important to recycle is that it reduces pollution and landfill use. Environmental damage is avoided when recycled materials are used in place of virgin materials during manufacturing. Virgin materials, if y'all aren't really understand what that means, it's actually examples of mining for metals, drilling for petroleum, harvesting trees. All those types of examples are virgin materials. 7,500 recycling programs are present in the U.S. as of today, and more. And versus to that is landfill programs, which we're trying to wean out. There's only 3,000 landfill programs in the U.S. versus 7,500. Landfill space is conserved when the materials that you recycle go into new products because they are not going to the incinerators or the landfills. The incinerators are a source of a very toxic substance known to man, dioxin. They produce also other materials such as very dangerous heavy metals, as of mercury. Incinerators, when they burn things, give off smoke and just pollute our earth that needs to be clean. And so recycling is not that hard. If you can save the earth and energy, then why not do it? Recycling, thirdly, saves money and creates jobs. I was wondering to myself how it created jobs when I was looking over all my information. And it actually has, a lot more jobs in the recycling field than in the auto industry or in the landfill industry. For every 1 job at a landfill, there are 10 jobs in recycling processing and 25 jobs in the recycling base manufacturers, which I thought was pretty awesome. Studies shown that recycled-based related businesses have substantial economic benefits. Recycling can frequently be the least expensive method of waste management. I have a true or false question. True or false, is recycling more costly than disposal? Well, I right away thought it could have been, but it's actually false. Selling recycling materials offsets the extra cost of collecting and processing recyclables making recycling a cheaper option. We have in our community, I live down in Burleson, near Burleson, and we have our green tubs that we sit out at the edge of our curb, and we put all of our recyclables in it, and we have a they're like trash men, but we have recycling men that come out and pick up the green box. And basically those are their jobs. It's not the trash man picking up the recyclables, it's their jobs as recyclers to take it to the plant where it's recycled and we can use it over again. It's very, once you think about it, it makes sense just to recycle, to be able to use things over again. It does put off some pollution that I've read over, but not as much as using products from real virgin materials. If we can use anything over again, it's just the greatest way to try to give back to the earth. So in conclusion, saving energy, reducing pollution in landfill, and creating jobs are the three main reasons to recycle. And I do encourage all that are listening to my message to recycle and just give back to the earth and save all the energy you can have, because these days in the economy are getting very tough. So that's all I have for today, and I hope that I encourage y'all to just take a step back and think about before you throw away something if you can really recycle it. Thank you.